Hi guys, we wanted to show you a quick demo of how Stripe integration with Tap to Pay now works with our admin app. And you can actually accept credit card payments from your clients in person without having to use a terminal. And we're recording it in this way because Stripe to Pay has a security screen that unfortunately is not possible to record from the actual device that payment is accepted on. So we'll go ahead and try to show you, and we'll go to the booking page first. So right now I will use this device as the client who is trying to book. So I'll try and make a booking with Apple Pay just to show you how easy and conveniently it can be done. So I will select the service that has an upfront fee. And you can see the deposit wording here, which is actually completely customizable. What I mean by that is you can name it a booking fee or cancellation fee, and you could include it in your cancellation policy that what your clients will have to agree to when they're making a booking, so that it makes sense to them that if there's going to be a no-show or they will try to cancel or later than the cancellation window that you allow for, there's going to be no refund, just in case that's your policy, right? So this is possible to do with SimplyBook. So I'll go ahead and proceed, and we'll try to place a reservation for my booking on Friday 23rd, 9 o'clock. Okay, I already pre-logged in here for the sake of testing, and for now I'll just go ahead and proceed. Okay, so you can see on top that I have a card saved. This is because I'm a returning client on this page, and I've actually allowed for my card to be saved before, and this way I can conveniently pay now. But what I actually want to show you and demo is the Apple Pay. So I'll proceed. As you can see, we now have tip functionality as well, which could be paid upfront. Okay, so just as your client, we'll just click on Apple Pay, and let me just gently try to double click it. All right. And we'll just wait for the transaction to process. Okay, perfect. I just received a confirmation as a business owner from our admin app that the booking was placed. And this is an order confirmation. You can see it says, "Hi, you selected pay later option." What it means is, and this is just our default wording, what it means is if I were to open this email, there is a payment link in there. So I could actually follow it and just pay with Apple Pay again in the same checkout. But let's assume you only want to accept payments when the service was already completed and client came in. So from here, we will use this device as you as a business owner. Okay, so I will, and I'm actually seeing notifications for both as a client as business owner because it's the same device. So I will open our SimplyBook app, and you can check out calendar dashboard. But for now, I'll just go to invoices because I have completed a service for client, and now he's ready to pay the remaining amount. And these two invoices are related to this booking. So the $2 already paid with Stripe, which was my deposit, and then I'll just click on the remaining amount. Okay, and I click on accept payment. So this is me as a business owner, and I will select tap to pay here. Your client can tap not just his credit card or debit card, but also just use Apple Pay on his own device. And so it's possible to tap it as well. So as a business owner, I will click tap to pay. All right, so you can now see this beautiful animation. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this demo, and we'll see you around at SimplyBook.